your little fat belly. Bite, bite, bite. You can bite, 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 and kick and jump. Kick and kick and jump.
Oh my god, I'm gonna make the phone shake. I can't hold the phone still when you do that. How's it go?
Just keep it going. It's playing.
Hold on, I gotta distract her a little bit. And 1 and 2 and 2. And 3 and 4
That's just
and
wrong.
Oh, baby.
I love the bottom leg.
Make him go side to side.
And kick and jump, kick and jump. And
No, not like that.
And like this.
No.
2, 3,
Floppy.
4. And rub, 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 and rub, rub, rub.
Make sure she's not hurting her back.
I know, I got her supported. And bite, and bite, and bite, and bite, and bite, and kick.
Okay, weirdo.
Nibble, kick, 1.
We have Jess snorting in the videotape.
Kick and jump, 1, 2, and side.
She doesn't even phase her that you're moving her legs.
Make both legs go the same way. No, not like that. Like make them both go to one side.
And 2,
Yeah.
3, 4.
That's so messed up.
2 and 3 and 4 and kick and jump. 1, 7. Sydney, you're such a good sport. You're such a good sport.
Yes, she is.
You are. 1, 2, 4, 9, 8, 6, 12.
You're not even making sense. Eat your foot. 2, 3, 4. Slap your butt. 2, 3, 5. Bite your foot. 2, 3, 6.
Sydney.
You're the champ.
Hey.
You're the champ. You're